the CDC is putting out new guidelines warning against Thanksgiving travel.
And saying that it's going to look a lot different this year. NBC Local 33's Jonah Gilmore details why the nation's leading public health agency is telling everyone to stay home on the busiest travel day of the year as well.
New guidelines out from the CDC says people should not travel for the holidays, but that's not stopping Blake Winston.
Headed back home to Charlotte, North Carolina. Spend some time with family.
He says he understands the seriousness of the guidelines and will take precautions to remain safe.
I work in a hospital and I'll be able to get a rapid COVID test before I head out of town and make sure I'm COVID negative so everyone stays safe.
The agency is recommending switching to outdoor gatherings, using disposable food containers, and limiting the number of cooks in the kitchen.
We've been telling patients this for a couple of weeks now.
Baton Rouge General's Dr. Louis Minsky says now is the time to really adhere to those recommendations if we want to avoid another spike.
It's all about making it safer. We're not going to 100% mitigate risk. We're not going to 100% stop this virus. It's all about slowing it down and making it as safe as possible. I think if we just take some common sense, straightforward applications, we can get through this holiday season.
It's certainly going to be a different year, with guests also urged to bring their own food and utensils. For Blake Winston, he'll be following these guidelines and hopes
Other people practice guidelines, social distancing, wear masks if they do travel to be with family, have negative COVID tests. Because the last thing we need is another lockdown.
Jonah Gilmore, NBC Local 33 News.
You can see all the new guidelines and recommendations from the CDC by visiting our website tonight. Just go to beourproud.com.